In this tutorial, tuturuan naman kita kung paano ka mag-withdraw ng iyong profit sa copy trading. So for example, ang ginawa mo is na-transfer mo na yung mga profit mo and iniwan mo na lang yung capital mo for copy trading. So syempre, first dapat nakalagin yung account mo. So this is via web login. And then go to account. So let's say itong account na to 11505926. Ito yung gusto kong withdrawhan ng funds. So let's say dito ko iniipon lahat ng profit ko for copy trading. So kukunin ko tong 197 na to. Just go to funds. Yan yung katabing tab. And then sa taas, ayan, makikita mo may deposit, may withdrawal, may transfer between accounts. So dahil mag-withdraw tayo, ang isa-select ko ay withdrawal. And hahanapin mo lang yung account na yon, yung gusto mong i-withdraw. So let's say ito siya. And then pwede mong i-max, kumbaga yung total na laman ng account na yun gusto mong i-withdraw. Pwede namang $100 lang. So ayan, nakalagay naman ang minimum is $30 para makapag-withdraw. So $184, let's say gusto ko itong i-withdraw. So click continue. Okay. Yan. So, nakalagay naman dito pag mag-withdraw tayo. So, yung funds must be withdrawn using the same method used to fund your account. So, for example, nag-fund ka via credit card. So, of course, pag mag-withdraw ka, dun din siya babalik. Ngayon, ako naman, personally, nag-fund ako via Dragon Pay. So, via GCash. So, dun din babalik yung itong withdrawin ko na to. Dun siya may credit. So, just select local bank transfer, Philippine bank transfer. So, let's say mag-add ako ng bank account ko. Pwedeng itong existing na to, Union Bank ko to, or pwede ako mag-add. So, let's say ang gusto ko is GCash. And select ko lang. And then sa bank branch, type ko lang din GCash. And then yung details ng GCash ko, yung name and number ko. Ayan, so na-input ko na yung details ko and ito yung withdrawal amount, $184. So, click withdraw now. And ayan, successful withdrawal amount of $184.21. So, yan. Check natin ngayon yung ating email. Yan, makikita mo, meron tayo ditong withdrawal submitted. So, of course, yan, ang bilis ng notification. We have successfully processed your withdrawal request from Vantage account to your nominated account. So, ayan yung amount, $184.21. So, refresh lang natin ito. Ayan, so makikita mo, meron akong notification you have received 10,297 of GCash. So, ito yung ating withdraw. So, check natin yung email. Ayan, so medyo delayed yung notification pero at least pumasok real time yung ating withdrawal. So, ayan, Dragon Payout. So, yan, yung ating withdraw. So, ganun lang kasimple and ganun lang kadali kung paano ka mag-withdraw ng iyong profit sa copy trading sa Vantage.